how the end of Macbeth comes. Because Elizabethan world was a world of morals.
Now, ma'am have an experience of CISC as an educator, as a teacher, or even as an invigilator for more than 30 years. Student do for ICC literature because the syllabus is new and he or she doesn't have any prior knowledge ki paper what type of pattern will come. Although we have a specimen paper,
Yes, we
but
have
still,
specimen
what should
paper.
they do?
The first thing that they should do is to read and read and read. ICSE does not believe in repeating questions. So if you have a doubt,
Then what's the point of last 10 years? Ma'am,
no, that's the question I'm coming to you. Last 10 years, with due respect to other boards, can be applicable there, but not for ours, because we believe in the ingenuity of a child. You write on your own, you read the lesson well, and you write on your own. You are judged according to your age. We do not expect that you will give an honors level answer. No. Only the textbook with which you work, it is the tool with which you work. Julius Caesar, prescribed by the council. Macbeth, prescribed by the council. We have the Oxford edition. Okay. The schools teach the Oxford edition. I would request all my children to just follow that, read the meanings, follow class instructions, whatever your teacher is teaching, line by line, word by word, that will give you 90 plus. That
Please
is my
try to
assurance.
understand what ma'am is saying. Try to repeat this thing. Jo ma'am bol raha hai, each and every words are very important. Trust me. That's a very important thing. Macbeth के लिए, a lot of students, this question is that how to study Macbeth and how to score full marks in this.
Yes, they will again get an opportunity for Macbeth, for short stories and poems. There will be, when I'm in the class, explanation, line by line, word by word. And I also give a brief summary of the important areas, so that it is like a handy tool.
Definitely.
When you go for the exam center, what you do is you just read to the bullet points which I have given you. Those bullet points will help you write the answers, because now you will have 5 marks, 10 marks question according to the word limits. Exactly. That means you have to be very specific. The council does not wish that you go on writing and writing and writing. The examiner will not pick out your points. You will serve as a good dish to your examiners. The platter will be ready so that the examiner gives you full marks, or is compelled to give you full marks, because I in my teaching career have been giving full marks to essays, to literature answers, because they write according to the council specifications, which I am telling you at present.
See, you have 30 years of experience. A lot of schools, I'm not taking any school's name, they don't have teachers like you.
You have to change your approach to the word literature. Literature is something that gives you learning experience, and this experience cannot be difficult. Definitely. You have MCQ questions now. 10 marks, 10 marks, 20 marks MCQ you have. That 20 out of 20 is straight away you can get if you read the text. Definitely. Then you go to section B, 60 marks. There also 5 marks, 10 marks question. Again the reading of the text. Council believes only in reading the text. When you are going to go for your masters in MA, in English,
if they want to go in BA line, or
that is what I'm telling. Then you do your critical study, not now. Now it's only the textual knowledge that is required.
From last 4 years,
Yes.
I have 4 to 5 years, जब से मैं I'm teaching this part.
Okay.
Ma'am, I used to give students most important acts and sin, because I have read Tempest and I have read much of it,
Yes, now the syllabus is
so that is easier for me. But right now, most of the students are asking कि sir भैया कौन सा act पर है, भैया कौन सा scene पर है, कहाँ से आएगा? And in Macbeth we have from Act 3, Act 4, Act 5, yes. And in your ma'am
11 it is 1 and 2.
1 and 2, and in 12 the main
4, 5.
Exactly.
My
In which
point
scene
of view, whenever you are reading a drama, 3, 4 and 5, and 5 prose pieces and 5 poem pieces, taking that into consideration, Act 3 and Act 5 is very important, because Act 5 is the culmination of the drama and there you have to do it very well to see the basic theme of Macbeth, how the end of Macbeth comes. Because you know, Elizabethan world was a world of morals. There you had to teach a lesson. So that lesson is something that you get in Act 5.
So that they can live Act 4, you are saying?
No, drama, I'm coming to that. You don't teach the students shortcut to success, only God help you. Act 3 and 4 and 5, they are a continuation. So what you should do is you have to read drama as a whole. You can lay more stress on Act 5 and Act 3. Okay.
Ma'am, does 20 marks, that was in the project,
Yes.
ma'am, does school give 20 out of 10 to everyone?
Listen, again the council has a ruling. Suppose your child in your school cannot fare well. The child in the 80 mark test that you are taking is getting barely 40%. That is 50% of your whole thing, isn't it? If it is 80 and you are getting 40, that child, if I am giving 20, that is not allowed by the council. I have to see a ratio.
But you have 10 marks in your hand and 10
and
marks
external
examiner.
Yes, external's hand. So we try our best to give, but please, I make a request: do not put your focus only on the project and think that I will get 20 marks there and I will somehow try to manage 20 in the paper. No, that should not be your focus, and that way it will not be done also. Your focus should be a holistic development of yourself. Full literature paper, you should aim to get at least 90, and which is very easy to score.
Ma'am, second last questions. I know you have to check a lot of paper, you can see here. A lot of papers are there to check. But I know it's a very demanding video. बहुत लोग मेरे को demand किया था. Ma'am, how a student can increase his or her writing skills?
Yes,
while writing an answer.
Writing skills, they have to first read. My only focus on my students is to read, understand, comprehend, and you have to speak in English also. If you don't speak in English, what happens is you don't understand where you are going wrong. It doesn't hurt your ear. So if you read well, you write well.
Definitely, you have to read a lot. Please try to read whatever you have, like your Tempest, your drama, your Macbeth.
Short story, poem. Julius Caesar, short story, poem. My only tagline of the day is read and understand. Practice questions as your teachers are giving, because now there is the word limit and you have to follow the word limit. That means what? You have to condense it. Exactly. You can't go on in a flow writing without any relevance. The paper also.
Okay, ma'am.
We have designed our paper in this way so that even when they are writing the exams, they don't have any problem. It's not the first time they are seeing a sheet. It's fully according to this. So this is the scratch. I begin from here. My question paper is fully designed on the council's pattern, how the council will give, so that this kind of practice is also given in class and they are all ready to hit the bullseye.
Okay, that's a very good thing. Just see, ठीक ऐसे ही we're going to get your LICR paper that they're going to gain in their exam. And if you know the full form of LICR, please comment in the comment section given below. So this kind of paper you're going to get in ICC. So ma'am is like, for every student, ma'am is giving this kind of paper so that they can like incorporate from now itself.
And there'll be nothing to worry. And Definitely. Nothing to be afraid also. You know, the class 10 especially, they are going for the board.
For the first time.
For the first time. So this paper is also important for them. Definitely. Because this is something different. So that is the reason we are giving a practice of this paper also in our school. So we are trying to give a fully rehearsal, as we say, of the CISC pattern in class 10 and 12.
It's a very important thing because
homely and a familiar atmosphere that they are going to get right from beginning from the
which your school have made this IM public school this kind of paper. I'm recommending every schools to follow this pattern because when I used to give my exam on that time pehli bar we are getting this kind of papers.
I have incorporated in my school.
Not sleep will run ahead of everyone.
Thank you very much.
So thanks a lot, ma'am, for giving us so much time. And if you have any kind of questions, please comment me in the comment section given below. And सारा comments को हम लोग incorporate करेंगे and again will come or try our best to solve all the, because ma'am don't have much time. Ma'am will only going to give you 5 to 7 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. But not more than
I
that.
will be very happy to help everyone throughout our country and abroad.
All the students who are watching you, please last message to them.
Last message, please
For their
read
pre-boards and
all the best firstly, God bless secondly, but most importantly, all the best and God bless will work only when you work. And that work will only be your reading of the text thoroughly and practicing grammar exercise from Total English, which is your prescribed book. You can do it.
That's it. Thanks a lot for this kind of knowledge. So we are closing this out one. And thank a lot, ma'am,
Thank you very
for
much.
giving us so much time.
I'm
It's my
also very
honor.
happy to help.
It's my honor to get this kind of invitation from ma'am and from IM Public School itself. So goodbye. Till then, stay tuned with Akash Talks. Thank you.